Ben Gromicko from Internet-G, and this is a quick tip about your Internet-G membership dashboard related to your website address. You want to update your dashboard with your website address to get inspection leads. Go to natchi.org, top right corner, log into your dashboard, scroll down to Profile and Settings, get into your profile, scroll down to your company information, enter your company information like your company name and your website address. Why? Well, Internet-G has thousands of lead generation websites all over the internet, and we're directing potential clients to your website address. So you have to enter your website address in your Internet-G profile. Where do you get a website? Go to natchi.org/website and you'll learn about Fast Site for You, Internet-G's official vendor for home inspector website designs. And the owner is a certified professional inspector, and I know her. And Fast Site for You has attained the Superior Service Seal because they serve only Internet-G members. So how do you get free inspection leads generated by Internet-G? You go to your dashboard, you update your profile with your website address. If you don't have a website, go to natchi.org/website and learn about Fast Site for You. And that is your quick tip for your Internet-G membership dashboard related to getting free job leads.